Lido DAO is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Lido DAO is basically a liquid staking solution, while LDO is the native utility token. The LDO token is used for granting governance rights in the Lido DAO ecosystem. The Lido DAO project falls under the DeFi category, which makes the Lido DAO project unique. Lido DAO is legit in the same way as other cryptos. While many crypto analysts doubt the legitimacy of new coins, but Lido DAO is comparatively an old project. With real use cases, Lido DAO has the backing of the DeFi community, which makes it trustable. As we found through CoinMarketCap, Lido DAO is growing day by day, so we can say that Lido DAO is legit. The new listings always help new tokens increase their value and adoption in the market. Recently, Lido DAO got listed by many crypto exchanges, including Binance. However, Lido DAO is not available currently on Coinbase for public trading. In the upcoming months, Coinbase may list Lido DAO for trading. Due to extreme volatile behavior, many traders used to ask whether Lido DAO is for the long term or just a pump and dump. Lido DAO often pumps and the same dump, but it's normal in the crypto market. As we analyze the past performance of Lido DAO, it is a promising project. Lido DAO also provides the facility of staking. Lido DAO has the support of the blockchain community, which makes Lido DAO a powerful project. As we have seen on the many crypto forums, Lido DAO is in the market for the long term. Due to the effort of the crypto community, Lido DAO can be stable in the upcoming years. However, we need to wait some more months to predict the future of Lido DAO more precisely. As per recent years' performance analysis, we found that Lido DAO is showing slow growth. However, Lido DAO is one of the fastest growing blockchain projects that have a use case. And cryptos with real use cases can be strong by nature. As per this price analysis, the long-term investment in Lido DAO appears to be a good option to consider. Even though the Lido DAO prices seem bullish, Lido DAO and other cryptos are volatile and can change their price direction at any time. If you are a smart investor and like to make risky investments, Lido DAO can be a great choice. Cryptos are today not just the most beneficial assets, but also the riskiest as well. So, before making any investment decision, do your proper risk management. If you're looking for the Lido DAO token price prediction or finding the potential of the LDO coin, this price forecast can be helpful for you. This Lido DAO price forecast is based on a deep technical analysis and the past performance of the LDO token. Here we will try to analyze the potential of the Lido DAO token in the long term. As data was gathered from the project's website, Lido is a liquid staking solution for Ethereum. Lido DAO enables its users to stake their Ethereum with no minimum deposits or maintenance of infrastructure. Lido is trying to solve the problems associated with initial Ethereum staking. LDO token is an Ethereum-based token that grants governance rights in the Lido DAO. The real use cases of the Lido DAO project make LDO token a promising project in the long term. As one of the growing DeFi and dApps projects, Lido DAO is working on many initiatives. As we found through CoinMarketCap, Lido DAO is listed in premium exchanges like Binance, Gemini, and Kraken. With new listings and the response from the investors, the Lido DAO token looks strong. Since its launch date, the Lido DAO token has shown extensive growth in the crypto market. LDO token has given a great return to its initial investors in 2021 when it hits a new all-time high level. Lido prices rallied to an all-time high of $18.62 in November 2021. Since then, Lido DAO has been showing a bearish performance. As per this analysis, the prices of the Lido DAO token will continue to grow in the next 10 years by surpassing $50 in 2030. As all cryptos are showing bearish growth in 2022, Lido DAO's performance is also looking slow. There are strong possibilities that the next bull run can create a new all-time high level in 2022. As all cryptos are down in 2022, Lido DAO token's performance can be slow in 2022. There are strong possibilities that Lido DAO can get again its position in the month end of 2022. There is a strong possibility that the price of the Lido DAO token can hit an average price level of $2.34 mark by 2022. The year can end with a maximum price of $3.82 if there is any bullish event. If there is any bearish run in the market, the minimum price level of Lido DAO can be around $1.89. LDO coin has great potential if you're going to hold it for the long term. As per this LDO coin price prediction, it can reach a maximum price level of $4.83 by 2023. However, the average price of Lido DAO can be around $4.29. And if there is any bearish trend, the minimum price of a Lido DAO token can be down up to $3.98. In the next bull rally, the prices of Lido DAO may surge more than this long-term Lido DAO price prediction. As per this Lido DAO price prediction, the Lido DAO prices can hit a new all-time high level this year. By 2025, we may expect an average price of $13.67 depending upon the market trend. This maximum price prediction for Lido DAO is $15.84 in 2025. While the minimum price level can be around $11.89. If the market gets bullish, Lido DAO may surge more than this Lido DAO price forecast in 2025. There are signs that the crypto market is about to enter a new age in 2030. Real project-based digital assets can overtake the market. The year 2030 can end with an average price of $62.41, while the minimum price value of Lido DAO can be around $55.72. Along with Lido DAO, many cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. The maximum price is expected to be trading around $69.83. If there is any bull rally in 2030, the prices of Lido DAO may skyrocket and surpass this price forecast. As per this long-term Lido DAO token price forecast, the LDO coin prices can hit a new all-time high level this year. In 2040, we may expect an average price of $178.12 depending upon the market trend. This maximum price prediction for Lido DAO is $185.23 in 2040. If the market gets bullish, Lido DAO may surge more than our Lido DAO price forecast in 2040. While the minimum price level of the Lido DAO token can be around $156.23 if the market gets bearish. Lido DAO token has great potential if you're going to hold it for the long term. As per this Lido DAO price prediction, the year 2050 can end with an average price of $257.45. While the minimum price value of a Lido DAO can be around $226.73. After such a long journey, along with Lido DAO, many cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. In 2050, the maximum price of Lido DAO is expected to be trading at around $275.56. If more investors are attracted to Lido DAO in between these years, the prices of Lido DAO can be much higher in 2050 than this price forecast.